Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, the generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the cooling pump is located, the cooling circulating pump, stay with us. We'll explain where you can find that fuse, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So where you can expect to find the fuse for the coolant pump? We're talking about that recirculating, also known as auxiliary water pump, guys. This is a little bit electric pump that circulates the coolant as well. Sometimes when you turn the engine off, when it's hot, or you have the heating auxiliary heater turn on. But now we'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Silverado. If you have one of those, 9 out of 10 people do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that truck. We will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. What do we need to do? Open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, on the driver's side you have a fuse box under that cover here. Open it, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 through 16 model, and layout like that for 2017 through 19 model. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, quick thing: if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So, guys, now we need to look, okay, for that fuse. That fuse is known as water pump fuse, coolant pump fuse, or recirculating water pump, or auxiliary water pump. This is again the little bitty electric water pump fuse. Now there is very limited information, guys, okay, specifically about that fuse, guys. Now here, okay, if you come, okay, we'll first demonstrate on 2014 through 16 model, but if you come and look, guys, you need to find, from what the service manual says, fuse number 77, guys. But the highest number that I see here in that fuse box, okay, it's practically, guys, fuse number 76 usually. I do not see 77 anywhere, okay, in that fuse box. Now, we will talk about that in just a second, guys, but look on the back cover and see if you see number 77, check that fuse. For 2017 through 19, the same scenario. However, guys, okay, there is one more possibility that you need to check. Open the hood, and here on the passenger side you see that's your car battery right there. That's where the car battery is. On top of it, on the positive terminal, you have an integrated fuse box. The top view looks like this one. And check here now, you have, guys, up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 integrated fuses. Check these fuses, guys. It could be one of those as well. Very limited information is about that, but check all these fuses. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.